Hi, I'm Pete Bauch, Atlanta Realtor and certified real estate negotiator. If I run the numbers on your home today, I won't just give you one price. I'll usually give you two. Number one, what your home could sell for on the open market if we position it strategically and present it at its best. Number two, what you could likely get selling more quietly, as is, with a simplified or even cash style offer. No showings, no repairs, and a lot less disruption. Most homeowners in the Atlanta metro have never actually seen those two paths side by side, and that's where smart decisions get made. With over 30 years in this market and my book, Architectural Soul and Curb Appeal Blueprint, I help you see exactly where your hidden equity is and whether it makes sense to maximize every dollar or prioritize speed and simplicity. If you're thinking about selling in the next 3 to 6 months and you want those two numbers for your home, send me a quick message that says home value and I'll take care of the rest.